In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a PowerPoint presentation with others to edit. This setup takes just a few moments to complete. To start, open your PowerPoint presentation. This is your starting point for enabling collaboration. Next, you'll want to click the Share button located in the upper right corner of the screen. This button opens up a menu of sharing options, allowing you to decide how you want to share your presentation. From here, create or copy a sharing link. This link is what you'll send to others so they can access your presentation. With that out of the way, if available, adjust the permissions to allow others to edit the presentation. This step is crucial as it determines whether your collaborators can make changes or just view the presentation. Now, once your settings are configured, share the link with the people you want to collaborate with. You can do this via email, chat, or any other communication platform you prefer. Finally, they will be able to access and edit the presentation based on the permissions you selected. This ensures that everyone can contribute effectively to the project. And that's how to share a PowerPoint presentation with others to edit.